This is review problem number 1 from assessment number 5. It says find the derivative of the function f of t equals 8t squared minus 4 divided by 2t squared plus 4t minus 5. Now you see we have a division, which means we're going to have to use the quotient rule. The quotient rule we know is u prime v minus v prime u all over v squared. So let's start out by labeling the two functions. So u is going to be the top function, 8t squared minus 4, u prime. V will be 2t squared plus 4t minus 5. And v prime will be the derivative of this. So the derivative of the top one is 16t. Derivative of the bottom one is 4t plus 4. So let's go through the quotient rule and use it. U prime is 16t, so we can write 16t times v, which we know v to be 2t squared plus 4t minus 5 minus v prime, which is 4t plus 4, times u, which is 8t squared minus 4. And that's all over v squared, which is 2t squared plus 4t minus 5 squared. Let's do a little simplifying. We can distribute the 16t to each of those terms. That'd be 32t cubed plus 4 times 16, 40, 64 t squared. 16t times the negative 5 gives you negative 50. Let's do 16 times 5. Brain fart this morning. Minus 80t minus, and I'm going to kind of write this down a little lower so I avoid my other work. 4t times 8t squared is 32t cubed. 4t times negative 4 is negative 16t. 4 times 8 is 32t squared. And then 4 times negative 4 is minus 16. So that equals 32t cubed plus 64t squared minus 80t. Distribute the negative, you get negative 32t cubed plus 16t minus 32t squared plus 16. Let's go through and cancel some stuff if we can. We can cancel this term and this term. They're gone. Let's see. 64t squared minus 32t squared will give you 32t squared. So we've got those. Those are done. Negative 80t and 16t will give you negative 64t. We got that done, and then all we got left is the plus 16. And that's all over 2t squared plus 4t minus 5 squared. I think at this point, this is probably as simple as we can go. Yes, I think this is as simple as she'll go. So this is the answer to the problem.